Hey, hello Mavis. Good to see you, Rose. How is that daughter of yours? She is very good. How is yours? She's happily married. You know her husband paid 50,000 for Lobol. We were up all night celebrating. I am still tired, Bonach. 50,000? Shame. My daughter's lobola was 100,000, but Amos, it makes sense because my daughter married a doctor. Congratulations. I never thought she would get married, especially because her relationships don't last. Well, she's been married for 5 years with 3 children. I heard that. I also heard they all have different fathers. Their choice assorted biscuits. Did you also hear my son got his degree? We were at his graduation party, something you've never attended due to your own children. Eh. Speaking of things I've never attended, how was jail? Because most you were arrested when for stealing Stockfell money. How time flies. I would love to stay and chat, but frankly, I don't like you. My son's Mercedes Benz is waiting for me. Good luck finding a taxi at this time of the night. You mean the Mercedes Benz his wife pays for?